A breezy 4th of July forecast with afternoon and evening wind gusts approaching about 30 miles per hour in the capital city. Could be as high as 35 miles per hour, I think, throughout the day today, especially across southeast Nebraska. Not too much to show you on satellite and radar across southeast Nebraska, but then I expand the view and you're starting to see some scattered showers flare up across western Nebraska, the Panhandle. This is the beginning of our storm threat that will eventually cross the state from west to east throughout the day today. But right now, no lightning associated with those showers. This is the risk for severe weather overall. You can see it covers much of the state for today, but a lower end threat, a level 1 out of 5 with that marginal risk excluding actually southeast Nebraska. Largely for this afternoon, evenings, thunderstorms will be a little bit more organized than starting a line, and as they kind of exit the Panhandle and start over portions of the Sandhills. There you see 2 o'clock this afternoon. Largely the threat will be there for the afternoon evening time frame, and the main threat will be damaging winds with these storms. There could be a few pop-up thunderstorms out ahead of this main line to watch in around the Tri-Cities this evening between 5 and 6 o'clock, and these storms are going to take a while before we see any activity here in eastern Nebraska. So a majority of 4th of July will be dry for a lot of us, but the timing of these could be unfortunate for firework displays, especially in around Seward. There will be thunderstorms, I think, in the area between 9, 10, 11 o'clock tonight. If they don't move in before the fireworks show, maybe trying to clip some areas in and around the end of those fireworks shows. That's 11 o'clock, and then really more thunderstorms spreading further into far eastern Nebraska overnight tonight beyond midnight for early Saturday, making for a wet start to the day, but some dry time late in the morning and then by the early afternoon. 4th of July forecast right around 90 degrees. This will be a temperature we stick with for a while looking ahead in the forecast, but Saturday plans as the holiday weekend continues. We'll see, again, some dry time late in the morning, early afternoon, but another round of pop-up thunderstorms starts in and around I-80 and actually continues southward through the afternoon evening. The main threat would be some damaging wind, but overall the threat of severe weather is off to our east for now. Omaha's on the edge of that, and then areas far in southeast Nebraska toward the Missouri River for Saturday. And then dry time, I think, beyond that for the evening, much of Sunday. There you see the 10-day forecast, 90 or close to it just about every day going forward, and more storm chances increasing by early next week.